Hey guys, welcome back to All About Libs. Today we're going to talk a little bit about safety. It's pretty much one of the most important things we do, so let's get right into it. Hey guys, let's talk about safety today. So first, let's go over some of the safety features for using handheld libs. So handheld libs, first of all, this is a very light technology. We don't have a glass x-ray tube, and this thing is like 3 pounds. I mean, 3 1/4, I think, but we're pretty light. You're not going to get fatigued for using this thing over your head or holding it up for a long time. It's very easy to use. Secondly, I do have a touch screen, okay? So you can see this screen here that you've all seen in previous videos. That's a touch screen. I also have sealed buttons. Now, why are sealed buttons important for a tool? It's fun to have a touch screen. This is a lot of fun, but when I'm working with hot metal, cold metal, sharp metal, slippery metal, anything like that, I'm going to be wearing gloves, I'm going to be wearing PPE, and I'm going to want to be safe. These sealed buttons keep your hands safe. The next thing is we want to cover our sample completely over the laser. So I've got my laser that comes out of this grain and rice size slot here, and I'm going to cover that completely before I do a test. And when I do a test, it's going to take about 2 seconds, and I get my analysis. But you see how I held that sample over the surface the entire time? That's how it's done. We want to cover that. The next thing you'll notice is some of you guys out there see me do this. Okay, I just did that. Used my hands when I did the analysis. You cannot do that if you have an XRF. If you have an X-ray technology, please don't copy this. This would be dangerous and hazardous, and you could potentially expose yourself to radiation. So keep that in mind and be thoughtful about that. And if that's something you do a lot and you work with your hands and there's no way to avoid that, you need to bring in handheld libs.